Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact support on cex.io. If you're facing a problem like login issues, deposits not showing, verification delays or trading errors, cex.io provides official customer support to help you. And the safest and most reliable way to get help is through the help center, a live chat system, not random phone numbers or social media pages. And this guide will show you correct and official way to contact cex.io support. So first you can open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar, type down cex.io and enter it. And make sure you are under this official website of your cex.io and also log into your account if you already have not so. Now once you get into this interface of your cex.io, you'll find to this icon here on the bottom right. This is a chat section. Click onto this chat section here and you can go to this help here, but you can also go to this messages here, which is a live chat. You can select to the send us a message here, and here you can also connect to a bot and then find the support agent if needed. Or you can simply go to this help in the bottom here and find the ton of frequently asked questions about the articles, finance, cex.io app, and that is it. This is how you can reach out to or contact the support on cex.io. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.